one card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting either a king. 16 men can construct a house in 90 days, means 15 men can construct the same house in 96 days. So one particular person is always included. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of second PUC basic maths question paper discussion. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed the part A. Now today I am going to discuss regarding part B. So in part B, you are going to answer for 6 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So answer any 6 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So there are 11 questions. Out of 11, you are going to answer 6 questions. So 6 out of 11. So each carries 2 marks. 6 into 2 is 12 marks. Very simple and very easiest part. Now move on to the first problem. What is the first problem? So that is, in how many ways can 6 people be chosen out of 10 people if one particular person is always included? What is the condition given? How many ways can we choose 6 people? So from 6 people we are going to choose from 10. So choosing 6 from 10, in which what is the condition given? The condition is that one particular person is always included. So one particular person is always included means just take 1 from this. So 6 minus 1 is 5, 10 minus 1 is 9. So therefore the number of ways of choosing is equal to 9C5. That's it, 9C5. So what is this equal to? 9 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 9 minus 5. 9 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 9 minus 5 is 4 factorial. So 9 factorial means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by this 5 factorial as it is, and remaining 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 factorial gets cancelled, 4 2s are 8 gets cancelled, 3 2s are 6 gets cancelled. So what is remaining? What is remaining in the numerator? 9 into 7 into 2. 9 into 7 into 2. 63 into 2, that's equal to 126. 126. That is, let me write here, 9 7s are 63 into 2, that's equal to 126 ways. So therefore, in 126 ways, we are going to choose 6 people out of 10 in which one particular person is always included. So this is how we are going to select. Now move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? Find the number of triangles that can be formed out of 20 points in which 8 are collinear. So number of points. How many points are given? 20 points. Number of collinear points. Collinear points 8. So to form a triangle, minimum 3 non-collinear points are required. To form a triangle, 3 non-collinear points are required, right? So here what is given? Out of 20 points, 8 are collinear. Therefore the number of triangles formed is equal to 20C3 minus 8 are collinear. Subtract this. 20C3 minus 8C3 is the required answer. Simplify, you'll get the answer. That's it. Okay. So to form a triangle, we should require 3 non-collinear points. So therefore 20C3 minus 8C3 can be written as 20 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 20 minus 3 is 17 factorial minus 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial. Since you know the formula for NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r into n minus r factorial. So, using this, simplify. So, this can be written as 20 factorial means 20 into 19 into 18 into factorial 17 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 17 minus 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial gets cancelled, 3 2s are 6 gets cancelled. 7 factorial gets cancelled, again divide it. So, this is nothing, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 19, 60 into 19 minus 8 into 7. Now, what is this equal to? 60 into 19 is 1140, 1140 minus 8 into 7, 56. So, what is this equal to? Subtract 1140 minus 56. That's equal to 1084, 1084. That's it. So, the number of triangles that can be formed from 20 points in which 8 are collinear is equal to 1084. So, 1084 triangles can be formed out of 20 in which 8 are collinear. Hope you followed. Very simple. 20C3 minus 8C3. That's it. Now, move on to the next problem. This is also an important problem. That is, from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. One card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting either a king or a queen card. So, what is given? In a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, that is called deck. So, n of s is given, number of cards, n of s is equal to 52. One card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting either a king. So, the number of kings, how many number of kings? Number of kings is equal to 4. Similarly, number of queens, number of queen is equal to 4. So, totally here it is 8 cards. Okay. So, therefore, consider this as m. m is equal to 8. That means n of m is equal to 8. Okay. Now, what is to find? Find the probability of getting either a king or a queen. So, therefore, probability of a king or queen is equal to, so this is nothing but n of m divided by n of s. What is n of m? 8 divided by 52. 8 by 52. Now, you can divide by 4. 4 2s are 8. 13 4s are 52. So, therefore, the required probability is equal to 2 by 13. 2 by 13 is the required probability. That's it. Okay. Now, move on to the next question. 3 numbers, how many numbers? 3 numbers are in the ratio 3:4. If the sum of their squares is 1856, find the numbers. This is also an important problem for 2 marks. 3 numbers are in the ratio 2:3:4. If the sum of their square is given, sum of their squares is 1856, then we have to find those 3 numbers. Let us assume this is an important problem. Let the 3 numbers be in the ratio 2:3:4 be 2x, 3x and 4x. If what is given that sum of their square 2x whole square plus 3x whole square plus 4x whole square is equal to 1856. 2x whole square means 4x square plus 3 square is 9x square, 4 square is 16x square is equal to 1856. 16 plus 4, 20 plus 9 is 29x square. 29x square is equal to 1856. Therefore, x square is equal to 1856 divided by 29. So if you divide 1856 by 29, you will get 64. So square is equal to 64. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So therefore, x is equal to 8. So the three numbers are the three numbers are 2 into 8, 3 into 8 and 4 into 8. So that's equal to 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So these are the 16, 24 and 32 are the three numbers. If you want to verify, you can verify, but it is not required, just for your confirmation. So if the sum of their square means 16 square plus 24 square plus 32 square. What is 16 square? 256. 24 square 576 plus this is 1024. If you add, how much you will get? So 256 plus 576 plus 1024 is equal to 1856. This is how we are going to verify if it is required. So therefore the three numbers are 16, 24 and 32. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. This is also a very important problem from ratios and proportions. If 16 men can construct a house in 90 days. So how many men? 16 men can construct a house in 90 days. Then how many days will 15 men can construct a similar house? So here 16 men can construct a house in 90 days. That means the number of persons decreases. 15 men. So if the number of persons decreases, means the number of days it will takes more. So 16 men can construct the house in 90 days. Then 15 men construct the similar house, means so they will take more than 90 days. So let us write like this. What is given? Men, number of men and the days. So 16 men can construct the house in 90 days. So 15 men can construct the same house in X days, right? So this can be written as 16 is to 15 is to X is to 90. Now simplify this. So what you will get? So 16 into 90. 16 into 90 is equal to 15 into X. So X is equal to 16 into 90 divided by 15, right? So if you multiply 90 into 16 is 1440, 1440 divided by 50, divide by 15. So that's equal to 96. So therefore X is equal to 96. So that means they take 96 days to construct the same house. So 16 men can construct a house in 90 days, means 15 men can construct the same house in 96 days. So as the number of persons decreases, the number of days increases. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. This is also very important. So the banker discount and the banker gain, BD, banker's discount and banker's gain on a certain bill due after some time are rupees 1250 and rupees 50 respectively. Find the face value of the bill. Now what is given? The banker's discount. Banker's discount is given, that is equal to rupees 1250, and the banker's gain is given. Banker's gain is rupees 50. Bill due after some times are 1250 and 50 respectively. Find the face value. F is to be determined. F is to be determined, right? Now there is a formula for face value. F is equal to, face value is equal to banker's discount into true discount divided by the banker's gain. This is the formula. Okay. Now we know what is banker's gain. Banker's gain is equal to BD minus TD. Now, so BD is known, BG is known, we want TD. TD can be written as true discount is equal to banker's discount minus banker's gain. What is banker's discount? 1250. Banker's gain is rupees 50. So 1250 minus 50 is 1200. So true discount is equal to rupees 1200. Now substitute in the face value. Now what is this equal to? Here the face value is banker discount. Banker discount is 1250 into true discount is 1200 divided by banker's gain is 50. Simplify this. 1250 into 1200 divided by 50. That's it. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 125 divided by 5 is 125. 25 into 1200. 25 into 1200 is 30,000. That's it. So therefore the face value of the bill is F is equal to rupees 30,000. The face value of the bill is rupees 30,000. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. 23rd problem. Find the equation of a parabola. Equation to a parabola with vertex is 0, 0, focus is 0, -3 and the directrix is y is equal to 3. This is from parabola. What is given? Vertex. Vertex is equal to 0, 0 origin. The focus is equal to 0, -3 and the directrix y is equal to +3. So first find whenever the directrix is like this is x axis, y axis, x dash axis and y dash axis. So what is the directrix? Directrix y is equal to 3. Y is equal to +3 means this is vertex 0, 0 and y is equal to +3 means +1, +2, +3. This is the value of y is equal to 3. Right. So this is the directrix. That means the equation of the parabola is in the downwards direction. What is the equation of the parabola in the downwards direction? Means x square is equal to -4ay is the equation. That's it. And what is the focus? This is the focus. So focus is 0, -3. So S is 0, -3. These are the given conditions. Okay. So focus is nothing but S is equal to 0, -a, that is nothing but 0, -3. Therefore A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. So required equation of the parabola is, since equation of the parabola is x square is equal to -4ay. Substitute the values. So what is a? That is -4 into a is 3 into y, that's equal to -12y. So therefore the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to -12y. That's it. X square is equal to -12y is the required equation of the parabola for the given condition. Okay, very simple. Now move on to the next problem. Same, this is also from parabola itself. Find the focus length of lattice rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 16x. Very simple. What is given? Y square is equal to 16x. Comparing with the standard equation of the parabola, comparing with y square is equal to 4ax. This is the standard equation. What is 4a? 4a is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 by 4 is 4. So a is equal to 4. Now what is to find first? The focus. First one is the focus. Focus S is equal to a, 0. That is 4, 0 is the focus. Okay. Now next one, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. LLR is equal to 4 into a. 4 into a is 4. 4 4s are 16. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 16. That's it. Just compare with the standard equation. Y square is equal to 16x with standard equation. Y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 16. A is equal to 4. Then the focus S is equal to a, 0 because y square is equal to 4x is nothing but equation of a parabola which is opening right side. This is the standard equation. Y square is equal to 4ax. That means this is the focus, a comma 0. So a comma 0, 4 comma 0 is the focus, and the length of lattice rectum is LLR is 4a. That is 4 into 4 is 16. That's it. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. So that is from integrations. Evaluate 0 to pi by 4 secant square 3x dx. Now what is integral of secant square x? Integral of secant square x dx is equal to tan x, because differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Integral of secant square x is tan x. So here what is given? Integral of secant square 3x is tan 3x by 3 between the limits 0 to pi by 4. Okay, now just take 1 by 3 out, apply the upper limit, tan of 3 times pi by 4 minus tan of 3 times 0. This is 1 over 3 into tan 3 pi by 4 means 45 degree, 45 into 3 is 135, tan 135 degrees minus tan of 3 into 0 is 0 degrees. Now just find out what is, tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to, and what is tan 135? Tan 135 can be written as tan of 90 plus 45. Tan 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 comes in the second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative. Tan 90 plus 45 is minus cot 45. What is cot 45? That's equal to minus 1. So 1 by 3 into minus 1 minus 0, that is 1 by 3 into minus 1, this is equal to minus 1 by 3. That's it. Okay. So integral of secant square x is tan x. Here it is secant square 3x. So integral of secant square 3x is tan 3x by 3 between limit 0 to pi by 4. Now just substitute the values of lower and upper limit. What is the limit? 0 to pi by 4. 1 by 3 out, apply the upper limit. Tan of 3 times pi by 4 minus tan of 3 times 0. Tan pi by 4 means that 45 degree. 45 into 3 is 135 minus tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0. What is tan 135? Tan 135 can be written as tan 90 plus 45. 90 plus theta. Tan 90 plus theta, it is minus cot 45, because in second quadrant tan is negative. 1 by 3 into minus 1 is minus 1 by 3 is the simplified answer. Now move on to the next problem. Evaluate log x dx between limits 1 to 2. This is also an important problem. This can be done by the method of integration by parts. So integration by parts we are going to apply. First simplify this log x dx. This can be written as log x into 1 dx. Consider this as the first function and dx as the second function. What is u? U is equal to log x and dv is equal to dx. Now differentiate this. Differentiation of log x is 1 over x dx and integration of dv is v and integration of dx is x. What is the formula? The formula is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. So this is nothing but uv. uv is x into v is log x minus integral of v x into 1 over x dx. These two gets cancelled. So therefore integral of log x dx is equal to x log x minus integration of dx is x. So therefore integration of log x dx between limits 1 to 2 is given by, you can take x common factor, log x minus 1 between the limits 1 to 2. Apply the limits. Upper limit is 2, log 2 minus 1 minus 1 into logarithm of 1 minus 1. So 2 into logarithm of 2 as it is minus 1 minus logarithm of 1 is 0 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 log 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 1, that's equal to 2 log 2 minus 1. 2 log 2 minus 1. So or you can also write this as, whenever logarithmic formula is applied, 2 log 2 can also be written as log of 2 square, that is equal to log 4 minus 2. or you can also write logarithm of 4 minus 1. That's it. Okay. Straight away you can apply the limits here itself without taking the common factor also you can solve. So the integrated answer is log 4 minus 1. That's it. So just apply integration by parts. So integration of log x dx is equal to x log x minus x, and evaluate between the limits 1 to 2. So x log x minus 1, you can take x common factor, x log x minus 1 between 1 to 2. Simplify, you will get 2 log 2 minus 1 or log 4 minus 1 is the integrated answer. Now move on to the last problem in this section. So find the area enclosed by the curve y is equal to x square plus 2x between the ordinate x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Now what is given here? Given y is equal to x square plus 2x and between the ordinates, so it is in x axis, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, that is a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. So the required area is equal to integral a to b y dx. So that's equal to integral 0 to 2. What is y? Y is equal to x square plus 2x dx. Integrate it. Integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus 2 into integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. 2 gets cancelled. This can be written as x cube by 3. So that is x cube by 3 plus x square between limits 0 to 2. 2 is the upper limit. So apply the upper limit, 2 cube by 3 plus 2 square minus 0. So 2 cube means 8 by 3 plus 2 square is 4. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 8 plus 4, 3 is the 12. That's equal to 20 divided by 3 square units. That's it. 20 by 3 square units. So therefore the area curve is given by 20 by 3 square units is the required. 20 by 3 square units is the required area. That's it. Hope you followed all these problems. These are for these are few problems for 2 markers. So this included the problems from except matrices and determinants, then differentiation. We have the problems in all the sessions for 2 markers. Hope you follow. So these are few problems related to 2 marker questions in section B, right? That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.